Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing how I put together my spring front door wreath. I will be using florals left over from other projects. Now I had planned on buying a new wreath this year, but under the quarantine situation, I'm trying to be obedient and stay home. Now, because obedience brings blessings, and it would truly be a blessing when we can get back to normal. So, because I'm using purple on the inside, I typically like to use similar colors on the outside. So, I pulled together some shades of purple, white, and some greenery. So, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start here with the fern. And then next I will use a different shade of green, and I will put one at the top and then one at the bottom. Okay, so next I will place the hydrangeas at the center. Okay, so here I have 3 stems, and I will place one at the top, one at the bottom, and then one in the middle. Okay, so next I have some loose stems, and I will use them to fill in the gaps. Okay, so next I will fill in with the greenery and the rest of the purple flowers. Okay, as you can see, I added some beads, and I also added a welcome sign. So guys, I would like to invite you back on Friday to see how I set up my Easter tablescape and dining room. And yes, I will be celebrating Easter. We will not have our usual gathering, but Easter has always been a special time in our home, and this year will be no different. I will also be sharing my breakfast tablescape during my spring and Easter tour. So stay tuned for a sneak peek of my Easter tour. And I want to thank you all for watching. And I pray you all stay safe and encouraged.